humans have often made many observations and discoveries related to astronomy from the very beginning. However, there are many unanswered questions related to this vast topic. One of these questions, which remains very, very much unanswered now, is, are we truly alone in this universe, or is there some life out there which could be discovered? So, in this presentation, we'll be covering about life on Mars, life in outer space, conditions in outer space, and planets or moons closest to living conditions. So, first, we'll be talking about life on Mars. This question of life on Mars still remains an unanswerable question. This red planet once had a huge ocean and running water on its surface. However, some of that water may be underground where it could support life. It once had an atmosphere that could have supported life. However, Mars's current atmosphere is very thin, providing little to no protection from the sun's UV rays. Life on Mars may be like life on Earth, which requires water, nutrients, and energy. Mars may have had habitable conditions in the past, and there are still places on Mars where life could exist, like under the ice caps or underground. Though there is no direct evidence of life on Mars now, there are a few evidences which could mean life in the past on Mars. The environment on early Mars may have been just like early Earth, so this could mean that there were suitable conditions for life on Mars and a tiny chance that life still exists in it. Life in outer space. Astrobiology is an interesting branch of science which deals with the origin, evolution, distribution, and future of life in the universe. The theory of life says that the orbit must lie in the habitable zone where the exoplanet's surface is just the right temperature for liquid water to exist. Every form of life we know requires liquid water, so an exoplanet too close or too far away from its host star is less likely to contain life. Till now, the only planet known to us to be in the Goldilocks zone, a zone neither too hot nor too cold, that is, neither too close to its host star nor too far away from it, is of course our own Earth. Next, we talk about conditions in outer space. Above the insulating atmosphere of the Earth, extremes of temperature, both hot and cold, can be experienced, and a significantly increased threat of radiation damage. Extreme conditions, temperatures ranging from minus 200 degrees Celsius to plus 125 degrees Celsius. The baseline temperature of space is minus 270 degrees Celsius, set by the Big Bang's background radiation. Vacuum, which means there is no atmosphere. Also, there are a few changes in the human bodies in space. Bones in the lower body lose density because they're not carrying the load of Earth's gravity. And this could lead to problems when you're on Earth. So next we talk about planets and moons living close to living conditions. The planets which are closest to living conditions is, of course, Mars, the last inner planet, Europa, the moon of Jupiter, Enceladus, and Titan, moons of Saturn. Some scientists estimate that there are as many habitable exomoons as habitable exoplanets. Gas giants in the habitable zone are thought to be the best candidates to harbor Earth like moons. While no evidence of life has been found outside our solar system, scientists think that life could exist in binary star systems, yellow dwarf systems, and neutron star systems. That's it, and we end with a fun fact. Jupiter's largest moon, Ganymede, has salty ocean that contains more water than on Earth. However, this water is in a frozen form and not in the liquid form, so it is less likely to contain life. Thank you.